We're going to do DIY today for the Bomonti project. And the reason why we're doing DIY is because we have very little budget. So there are a few goals I would like to achieve. And the best way is DIY because then you're going to have something unique. It's going to be exactly as you wanted, and people will see that you did put effort. So I think DIY is a great way to create something unique and special. So what I'm trying to do, the goals I would like to achieve is, so we have the kiosk and the tables we're going to have with the umbrella sitting area is quite far away from the kiosk. So I would like to guide people to kiosk to buy the coffee or some of the food they would like to get. And also, I would like to define that area as a Bomonti area, so strangers will not come and sit down. Another reason is I would like to encourage people to sit 1.5 meters away from each other because of the COVID rules. And with one DIY, I think I can achieve all of these goals at once. So what I would like to do is, I went to Bunnings and bought this 18 millimeter MDF. This is extremely strong. And I know it's not waterproof, but we will try to protect it as much as we can from the outdoor effects. So this is what I'm trying to do. I asked the lovely Bunnings people to cut this in 400 to 400, and I'm going to glue them like this and put it on the tiles we have, and this is going to be like a sitting area top. I think it's better to sit on wood instead of really cold tiles. So this is going to define the seating area, and it's going to be 1.5 meters away from each other. And this side, I'm going to print, not really print, stencil actually, these advertisements to define that it's Bomonti area, and also guide them to go to the kiosk to buy what they need. So this is going to be the advertisement area, kind of, and this is going to be the seat. Let's first prepare the stencils. This is going to take a while. First stencil is ready. This way to Bomonti. The knife was not very sharp, so we ended up a little bit wiggly on the side. I might just use Sharpie pens to just make it straight. Arrow is going to show this way, and we're going to, as I said, make like a seat. Now I'm going to use this product Bunnings suggested, and they promised me that I'm not going to need any, anything else, both indoors and outdoors. So hopefully it's not going to break. Let's try. When you work with liquid nails, it's a good idea to just, while it's waiting, it's a good idea to cover it with wet cloth so it doesn't dry. And now we're going to seal it to protect it from rain. And if you are lazy like me and do not want to clean it but reuse it, I think cling wrap is a really good idea. Just cover it and then throw it in the bin. Do it quickly so it doesn't get any dust. Okay, our DIY is ready. So we prepared these kind of seats to keep people 1.5 meters away from each other, and also define that area as Bomonti cafe area. This is the idea. We are just going to put them on the bench like this. And there will be 1.5 meters in between.